Stuck with a dead battery in your Tacoma? Let's see if your alternator is to blame. First things first, look for the warning light on your dashboard. If you see the battery or ALT light, that's your truck's way of saying, hey, something's wrong. Next, pop the hood and check your battery connections. Loose or corroded terminals can cause charging issues that look just like a bad alternator. If they're clean and tight, move on. Now it's time to inspect the alternator belt. Is it loose, cracked, or missing? That could stop your alternator from working. If the belt looks good, listen for any strange noises, like grinding or whining, from the alternator itself. Still having trouble? Grab a multimeter and measure the voltage at the battery with the engine running. You want to see around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Less than that, your alternator may not be charging the battery. If you've checked these steps and the issue isn't fixed, your alternator might need repair or replacement. Consider visiting a professional mechanic for a final diagnosis before you order parts. So next time your Tacoma's battery light flicks on, don't panic. Just follow these simple steps. You might save yourself a tow and a headache.